Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Ultimate Ears Boom 3. So we're gonna unbox and we're gonna try out the audio quality, and we're also gonna watch a video to see if any delays in audio. So it is around £120. The price do change. If you are interested in, I'll leave the link below. So it is compatible with Apple and Android. It is a waterproof speaker. Drop it in a swimming pool or beach, it will float, it will sink, and it's going to be a 360 audio. You get full 360 audio. You can connect to the app, and it is IP67, can connect multiple speakers together, and it is around 15 hours of charge. The model I bought, it is the red model, the red one. So you have a black, blue, red, gray. You have a few more colors. Let's get into the video. The design is quite well. So you had a book inside. It is a micro USB. They have not moved to USB-C. First of all, we're gonna try. So it's gonna be a power button, Bluetooth, volumes up, volumes down. You can use the Ultimate Ears charger, and you get the micro USB cable. And one thing I noticed that is they don't have any audio intake. Start up straight on.
Please download the Boom and Mega Boom app.
So we're gonna try to see how loud they get. We're gonna play the same audio, the one we used on the JBL. That is medium volume. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. Now in full volume. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place. I guess we only could just be alone. The one thing I straight away noticed that it doesn't have the same bass. It sounds so plain. There is no bass, so plain flat. So even though the song have a good bass to it, but the speaker doesn't sound that well. So we're gonna try the different song. And we're gonna watch her video. So far there is no delay.
It means good evening in Italian. May I say having to explain that to you calls into question the authenticity of your ristorante? Okay, I'm out of here. Un momento. Oh, for heaven's sake, now you're being belittling stupid. That's gotta be fun for you, huh? Watching Hofstetter suck the saliva out of your sister's mouth. Excuse me, before this evening goes any further, we need to decide where everyone's going to sit.
There's no assigned seat, Sheldon. Just sit anywhere. Make yourself comfortable.
Oh, what fun. We're like hippies at a love-in.
There is no delay on the... I can watch any of the TV shows, anything I can watch from YouTube, as well as movies. I don't have an issue on the delays. But I do have a little bit issue with the audio. So you can use the button on the top to pause and play. So there is no bass on Boom 3, so they are pretty loud. Is louder than JBL Flip 4, Flip 5. I have a lot of people commented that is ultimately Boom 3 is rubbish for a bass. So they are good speaker, they're loud speaker, giving a more battery life, but they are rubbish on the bass. So they are pretty loud. You have extra 3 hours of battery, waterproof. They have the same features as all longer battery, but they don't have the bass. So if you are looking for a really good bass speaker, Boom 3 is not the one for you. You're gonna go for either Charge 4, Charge 3, Flip 4 or Flip 5. Even though you're paying more, you're not getting the same bass. They are pretty loud for sure. So if you are interested in a very loud speaker, don't care about the bass, go for the Boom 3. I'll leave the link below. And if you want to decide between Boom 3 versus Flip 4 or Flip 5, I will be releasing new video comparing both of these. If you like the content I'm making, subscribe to the channel, like and comments below. See you guys on the next video.